Welcoming his visitors, the ABS boss said that Governor Willie Obiano has brought peace, stability, and religious tolerance among the various Christian denominations in the state through his people-oriented policies and programs. He commended the association for articulating the proposed Igbo Prayer Summit, which he said will help immensely in winning souls for Christ, as well as sanitize the society, assuring that the station will always partner them.
Governor Chief Willie Obiano, and the Noka, Nina and the Anglican, Catholic, Pentecostal, Noka Nina in front of Anambra, anywhere harmony among the various religious groups.
Earlier in his speech, the state coordinator of the association, Reverend John Okoye, who said that the association is non-partisan with a membership that cuts across all Christian religious groups in Igbo land, noted that the visit was to inform the managing director of their proposed World Igbo Prayer Summit, slated for August this year in Oka, and seek collaboration with the ABS, which he said is a force to reckon with in the broadcast industry.
If I find a Anambra state where there's boom pamakanam na ABS abozi obelasu adachi isi enya 2012 so I was sick dika one dem moke kọwagolo ife abo oku ekpele ana akpọ ndị Igbo ni na anyị maka ihe siwe dị n'obodo anyị bụ Nigeria taa ọzọ dịka ibi achọ ime ka odo anya bụ na anyị abụrụ ndị na-akpọ gani anyị ekewa Nigeria ma ayara ekewa anyị adịrọ na ya.
In Oka, it's been Chibuzo Koye for ABS News.